Hey, welcome to the new module, databases. From this video, we would be starting with the databases. Well, in this module, we are going to cover both the databases, relational and the non-relational database, right? Traditionally, in the MERN stack, there is no MySQL, but I have added it. If you want to become a full stack engineer, you need to have a knowledge of both relational and the non-relational databases. For that, I have added MySQL. In the non-relational, we are going to see document-based database, MongoDB. MongoDB. So, relational databases teaches you how do you deal with the tables. What are the things you need to remember about the tables? What is the SQL? What is the normalization? How do you do data modeling? All that things we will see in the relational databases. Well, in the non-relational databases, we will see MongoDB. How do we work with the collections, documents? How do you fire the optimized queries? How do you work with the shell? Are there any another alternatives to the shell? And a lot of other things we will see. As I told you, this course is a case study based. For both relational databases and the non-relational databases, you will get the proper case studies. This module begins with talking about the data. So that is a common. What type of data you are handling with? As per that, you need to choose the database, relational or the non-relational. That's why speaking about data is little important. And so first we will start with data. We will try to understand the data. Then we will jump to the relational databases. And then at the last, we will see non-relational database, that is nothing but the MongoDB. I hope this module will teach you a lot about the databases and how do you integrate these things in your full stack MERN stack app. Thank you.